Problem number 6, solve by factoring. So we have 4x squared minus x minus 3 equal to 0. In this case, we have to factor, so we're dealing with a trinomial right here with a coefficient of 4. So I choose to use the method that I'm calling the Colombian method, and I have to multiply the first term by the coefficient, which is 4, and also the third term by the same coefficient, so by 4. Now I'm just going to rewrite the problem. So 4 times 4 is 16 x squared. Bring down the middle term, and then negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. My next step would be that I'm writing my empty sets of parentheses, and then I am going to square root the first term. So the square root of 16x squared is 4x, and I put that in each set of parentheses. Then I'm going to bring down my first sign, and I'm multiplying together the two signs to give me the second sign. So a negative times a negative is a positive. And now I'm looking at the factors of the third number, just the number, no sign, so 12, and the factors, when the signs are different, must subtract, and when the signs are the same, they must add. So in this case, they are different, they must subtract to give me the middle number, and the middle number is 1. So which factors of 12 would subtract to give me 1? That's 4 times 3, and 4 minus 3 is 1. The larger of the two always goes first, and I don't have to worry about my signs. Now the last step, because I multiplied by 4 in the beginning, I have to divide by the factors of 4. So in this case, I can just use 4 because this side is divisible by 4. So 4 and 1. The 3 is not divisible by 4. There's only one way of doing this, so right over here. Now 4 divided by 4 is just 1, or 1x, or x, and 4 divided by 4 is 1, so that's my first binomial, and then anything divided by 1 is itself. So I'm just copying this down. All that is equal to 0. Now I can use the zero product rule, which means that either one or both of these products have to be 0. So I'm going to take the first one and set it equal to 0, and the second one and also set it equal to 0. Solving for x, I'm going to add 1 to both sides, and I'm left with x equals 1, and over here subtracting 3 from both sides, and I got 4x is equal to negative 3, dividing by 4 on both sides, and my answer is x equals negative 3 over 4. So my solution to this equation would be negative 3 over 4 or 1. Both of these answers would give me a true statement.